So this year, I didn't travel for Christmas. No flights, no chaos, no family group chats blowing up my phone. It's just me in my apartment in Los Angeles. And yes, this is my first time ever actually having Christmas. Living alone during the holidays feels a little weird. Like, should I be doing something right now? Am I missing something? But honestly, it's kind of peaceful. So I decided to stay in and I'm going to decorate. Because if I don't do it for myself, literally no one else will. First step, the Christmas tree. I always wanted a Christmas tree, like always when I grew up. So trying to pick one felt way more serious than I expected. Tall, full, blue light, yellow light, why does this feel like a life decision? But then I found it, my giant tree baby. The one I finally get to see every year now. And honestly, I'm in love. Carrying it inside instantly changed the vibe. Suddenly, my apartment feels festive and slightly smaller. Decorating alone is actually kind of nice. No one asking why is that there. No one judging my very questionable design choices. Just me and my tree figure things out together. Then come to ornaments. These are from all over the world. Different trip, different phase of life, different version of me. All different memories. Do they match? Absolutely not. But neither do I, so it works. Here comes my a little extra decorated, making a bow for my door. Is it necessary? Nah. Did I redo it 3 times anyway? Yeah. Because when I come home, I want to feel something like, wow, someone here really tried. That someone just happens to be me. I won't lie, Christmas alone can feel lonely. A little quiet, a little awkward. But it's not sad, it's just different. This year, I'm choosing to make it cozy, to make it warm, to make it mine. Because I still want to feel festive. I still want to feel joy. Hi everybody. Today is Christmas Eve. I'm alone in my apartment in Los Angeles. It's very rare to see me stay in my apartment in this season. But guess what? It is happening. I'm glad that I have this time to rethink about myself and planning for 2026, honestly. Like you saw my video, I actually read my letter that I wrote it like early this year, January 2026, when I like cleaned it on my tree. Unfortunate, I wrote it all my wishes that I want to have in 2025.
But unfortunately, I didn't really get a lot of done. Unfortunate. So I got a little upset about it. But first, my business. I know I have full-time job and I try to focus on my business too, but definitely not even doing it anything. I need to rethink about it, like what I can do honestly. And I want to focus on different business, or do I really keep up with my nail business? I'm not even sure. I haven't even uploaded nail business YouTube, which is crazy. I should have posted in April, but it never happened. Second, I want to save up a lot of money. Well, this is always my goal at every year. I start save up money, but I don't think I save up money that I wanted to save up. So that's definitely a little fail. But I'm glad that I actually started saving it. So I'm happy about it for now. I want to meet a man. I want to settle down. That's completely never happened yet. Unfortunate. I connect with a guy who was a little far away, and I tried to working on it, but I faced to reality that it might not working. So I think I would describe my dating in 2025 is basically I didn't date practically. I don't know if it's the right word, it's very right word for me right now. So, but I'm glad that I did not have a dating app whole this year, that I met a lot of cool people. They were really nice, and then still, I think if I don't want this, I tell them, I communicate them, so we don't waste our time each other. So, which is amazing. Overall, my score is 3 out of 10, which is really low. I wish I really wrote it down about, so I wanted this man like brown eye, dark hair, like this tall, this major, or distance like even 10 miles, within 20 miles. I don't know, it's something like that. I think I should have more specifically done it, and then I can toward to my goal. And a lot of things like save up money also, I didn't really write it down how much I want to save up money. I should have write it down like more like specifically, like, so overall I didn't put all the details, so I want to put all my details today together. First of all, I want to make a mood board first. I think I want to change my background to my mood board for 2026 I want to have. And here I am. Of course, we're in Pinterest. I want to grab it, all my things, that what I want to do, what I want like desire for my 2026. I wonder if anybody thinks same thing. Like whenever I got into Pinterest, I always got distracted. I forgot what I was making. I forgot what I was looking for, because there's just so many great inspo and photos that I can focus on one thing. It's just insane. So I'm really trying my best to like figure out like what I really want to do, and I want to make mood board. But oh my god, everything's so cute. My inspo, it's a lot of random thing, but I want to make it happen here. I want to get any brand deal from YouTube that I start, and I want to find my love. So I want to put it here. Like something. Wow, I didn't put my nails. Impossible. I should put nails, because nail is gonna be my passion all the time. Like my brand deal or friendship, healthy, Dior, Gucci, save up money, modeling, passion, creative director. And I want to show like, oh, this is my nail, or this is my creative work that I made magazine. Being creative here, like figure skating is a new thing, and creative on, and then just still working. I don't know, this is so aesthetic. I love this. Like, I forgot most important thing. So in love, so I want to make this love graphic a little bit, and then I want to add my mood board, and it will be done. The partner, then Mood Creative Director. Oh my god, this is so cute. And I want to put it here because I can't be anything. So I'm gonna put it like this. As you can see, this is my mood board. It's in my back. It's my phone. I want to make it as a background, honestly. Oh my god, this is so adorable. My new wallpaper, my mood board for 2026. My mood board is perfect. I just put London because I don't know, I've been to Europe a lot and then I feel it's just better. Oh my god, this is so hot. I love this. This is my goal, it's gonna be. I wanna write it down. 2026, my goal. 2026, my goal. First, learning Spanish with native people. 2, start doing new hobby and fun. To my saving feeling to someone I date. Oh, it might happen. Like creative work, either YouTube work. This is so for sure. A little specific thing, another one. What I wanna do is, like, I wish I never met people, some people, like, I never interesting, you know. Now I see their true color, or sometimes I just trust people so easily that I don't want to think about it. Oh yeah, this is my like literal goal, like visiting my mom. Oh, and then like word of affirmation.
So creative, healthy. I'm so warm-hearted, thoughtful. I love so that I met a great person.
Yes, I made it. I created it. I achieve it. Oh, I am done my writing down my goal for 2026. Hopefully, I will check up every month, that 12 times, or a little detail about my plan. I want to planning and manifesting a lot, and then I believe so I can do it. And I got my journal 2026. I really want to journaling every single day, date and everything, and I can check up weather or what is this? It's the bottle. Oh, working out, checking out working out, water, and then weather and feeling. So I think this is so cute. I can check out my mood, and then I want to write down how I feel about whole year. I'm excited to fill it up this whole year thing. You know, I'm excited to fill a whole this year thing to this journal. So this is a short Christmas journey with me that we made a goal. We rethink about it, and you know what? Even though we made all these goals, sometimes never happen, right? But we should believe it. We're gonna make it this time. I believe so. I'm gonna check out next year on my next video with 5,000 subscribers. I have, yes, but I believe so I can do it, and I hope you enjoy your holidays and New Year's, and I'll see you next year guys. Bye.